Day 6. Strength for today. I am strengthened. Isaiah 40:31. Those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. God, renew my strength today. Restore what anxiety has drained from me. Fill me with your peace, your clarity, and your power. Amen. Anxiety is draining. It pulls on your emotions, your mind, your energy, and even your body. But God restores strength, not through striving, not through pushing harder, but through hope, hope in Him. Hope refuels you. Hope renews you. Hope lifts you in ways your own strength never could. God has strength for you today, not for yesterday, not for tomorrow, but for today. You don't have to walk through this day on empty. You can walk through it strengthened by Him. Take a short walk today. With each step, thank God for one thing: